Greetings, world explorers and aviation enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey, diving into the realm of commercial aircraft manufacturing. This is no ordinary journey, though. We're not just exploring the stunning aircraft these companies produce, but we're also discovering the places they call home, their head offices, and the heart of their operations, their factories. From the giants of the industry to the lesser-known players, we're going to uncover the stories behind the names you see on your plane tickets. We'll delve into the types of aircraft they manufacture, from the colossal jumbo jets to the swift and efficient regional aircraft. We'll journey from the bustling streets of Toulouse, France, to the windy city of Chicago, Illinois, USA, then onto the vibrant city of Montreal, Canada, and finally, we'll land in the tropical São José dos Campos, Brazil. So buckle up and get ready for a journey around the world. Our first stop is Toulouse, France, the home to Airbus. Now, let's take a journey back in time. It all started in the late 60s, when a group of visionaries from various European nations had a brilliant idea. They dreamed of creating a shared European aviation industry that could compete on a global stage. Thus, in 1970, Airbus was born. From its humble beginnings, Airbus has grown into a titan of the aerospace industry. Today, Airbus is a household name, synonymous with innovation and quality. With a range of aircraft that includes everything from the smallest single-aisle A220 to the largest passenger airliner in the world, the A380, Airbus has an aircraft for every need. As we delve deeper into the Airbus story, we find a company that is truly global in its reach. With design and manufacturing facilities spread across Europe, Airbus is a testament to international cooperation. However, the heartbeat of Airbus is in Toulouse, a charming city in the south of France. It's here that the magic happens. This is where the final assembly of Airbus aircraft takes place, where the individual components crafted with precision in factories across Europe come together to create something truly remarkable. Airbus's impact on the global aviation industry cannot be overstated. With over 12,000 aircraft delivered to more than 400 airlines around the world, Airbus aircraft have become a familiar sight at airports across the globe. Whether you're taking a short hop across the country or embarking on a long-haul journey to the other side of the world, there's a good chance you'll be flying on an Airbus. Airbus's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aviation, from pioneering the use of fly-by-wire technology to the development of the double-deck A380, has seen them set new standards in comfort, efficiency, and safety. So as we leave Toulouse, we leave with a deeper appreciation of Airbus's journey from European upstart to global aerospace giant. From its roots in the heart of Europe, Airbus has truly taken flight globally. And with a bright future ahead, who knows what heights Airbus will reach next. From the heart of Europe, Airbus has truly taken flight globally. Next up, we cross the Atlantic to Chicago, Illinois, the headquarters of Boeing. Set against the backdrop of the Windy City, the story of Boeing is as captivating as it is impressive. Born in the heart of the pioneering era of aviation, Boeing has been soaring above the clouds for over a century. Since its inception by William Boeing in July of 1916, this titan of the skies has been instrumental in shaping the aviation industry. Boeing's journey began with a single canvas and wood seaplane, the B&W. Fast forward to the present day, and Boeing's fleet is a testament to the evolution of aviation. From the workhorse that is the Boeing 737 to the double-decker marvel of the 747, and the fuel-efficient wonder that is the 787 Dreamliner, Boeing's diverse range of commercial aircraft has something for every kind of journey. These aircraft are born in factories that are quite literally the size of small cities, the most notable of which is the Everett factory in Washington state. This colossal facility is recognized by the Guinness World Records as the largest building in the world by volume. Here, aircraft are meticulously crafted and assembled before they take that first triumphant flight. Boeing is not just an aircraft manufacturer, it's an innovator. It's a company that has dared to dream bigger, fly higher, and push the boundaries of what's possible. From introducing the first jet-powered airliner, the 707, to launching the first twin-engine jet to be able to fly non-stop over the Pacific, the 767, Boeing has consistently been at the forefront of aviation technology. But beyond the impressive stats and the revolutionary technology, at the heart of Boeing lies a commitment to safety, to quality, and to the millions of passengers who trust their aircraft every day. Boeing's story is one of resilience, of innovation, and of unwavering ambition. It's a story that reflects the spirit of the city it calls home, a city that rises from the ashes, reaches for the stars, and never stops dreaming. Boeing, a testament to American engineering and innovation. Now we head north to Montreal, Canada, where Bombardier calls home. Imagine a city with a rich history in aviation, where the scent of maple syrup mingles with the hum of industry. That's Montreal, the birthplace of Bombardier. Born from the vision of Joseph Armand Bombardier, the company started as a humble snowmobile manufacturer in the mid-20th century. However, Bombardier's ambitions soared higher, and by the late 70s, they had already ventured into aerospace, marking the dawn of a new era in Canadian aviation. Bombardier has since become a global powerhouse in the manufacture of commercial aircraft, particularly in the regional and business travel sectors. Their portfolio is impressively diverse, ranging from the sleek CRJ series, perfect for regional hops, to the luxurious Global Express series, which caters to the business elite. Each aircraft a testament to Bombardier's commitment to innovation, comfort, and efficiency. Bombardier's operations extend far beyond Montreal. Their factories, which are the beating heart of the company, are scattered across Canada and beyond. These include facilities in Toronto, where the Q400 turboprops are assembled, and Mirabel, where the cutting-edge C-Series takes shape. Each factory is a bustling hive of activity, where skilled workers and advanced technology come together to create flying marvels. The impact of Bombardier on regional and business travel is undeniable. Their innovative designs have revolutionized the way we travel, making journeys shorter, smoother, and more comfortable. Whether it's a swift dash across the Great Lakes or an important meeting halfway around the globe, Bombardier aircraft are there, turning travel time into productive, enjoyable experiences. But Bombardier's influence extends beyond the skies. The company plays a significant role in Canada's economy and has a profound impact on its communities. From creating jobs to investing in local businesses, Bombardier is a driving force in the nation's development. As we wrap up our visit to Montreal, we leave with a deeper appreciation for Bombardier's contributions to the world of aviation. Their story is one of innovation, resilience, and Canadian pride, a story that continues to unfold with each aircraft that takes to the skies. Bombardier, bringing Canadian excellence to the skies. Finally, we fly to São José dos Campos, Brazil, the birthplace of Embraer. Nestled in the lush greenery of Brazil's industrial heartland, São José dos Campos is where the first spark of Embraer ignited. Founded in the late 60s, Embraer has grown from a small, state-owned entity into one of the largest aircraft manufacturers in the world. Embraer's journey is a testament to Brazilian tenacity and innovation. The company has faced its fair share of turbulence, from a military dictatorship at home to stiff competition abroad. Yet, Embraer has weathered these storms and soared to new heights. Today, it's a leading player in the production of commercial aircraft, with a strong focus on regional jets. Embraer prides itself on producing aircraft that are both efficient and comfortable. The E-Jet family, for instance, is a prime example of Embraer's commitment to quality. These jets, known for their sleek design and fuel efficiency, are a common sight in skies around the world. From the compact E-170, perfect for quick hops between cities, to the spacious E-195, designed for longer hauls, Embraer's E-Jets cater to a wide range of travel needs. Embraer's factories are scattered across São José dos Campos. These sprawling facilities, where raw materials are transformed into state-of-the-art aircraft, are a testament to Brazilian engineering prowess. Each day, thousands of dedicated workers clock in to assemble, test, and perfect the aircraft that bear the Embraer name. It's a process that combines cutting-edge technology with old-fashioned craftsmanship, resulting in aircraft that are as reliable as they are refined. But Embraer's impact extends beyond the factory floor. The company plays a vital role in the local economy, providing jobs and fostering innovation. And with every takeoff and landing, Embraer's aircraft help connect people and places, making our world a little bit smaller and a whole lot more accessible. In the world of aviation, Embraer is a bit like a samba dancer, graceful, dynamic, and unapologetically Brazilian. And just like samba, Embraer has a rhythm all its own, a rhythm that's helping shape the future of flight. Embraer, adding a touch of Brazilian flair to the aviation industry. We've traveled the globe, exploring the world of aircraft manufacturing. From the heart of Europe, we've seen Airbus, with its headquarters in Toulouse, France, making its mark in the industry by creating some of the most advanced and efficient commercial aircraft. Then, we journeyed to the United States, where Boeing, based in Chicago, Illinois, continues to be a significant player in the aviation world, with a rich history and a commitment to innovation. Our trip took us next to Canada, where Montreal-based Bombardier has been revolutionizing regional and business aviation with their cutting-edge designs. Finally, we headed south to Brazil, where Embraer, in São José dos Campos, has been impressing the world with their range of commercial, military, and agricultural aircraft. Each of these manufacturers plays an essential role in how we travel and connect with each other across the globe. Whether you're jetting off on your next adventure or simply fascinated by the marvels of modern aviation, we hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of aircraft manufacturing.